The top 3 technology trends for retail for 2024 from my perspective are: first, I think leveraging Gen AI to provide value to the end user. For instance, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could just go to a fashion website and ask for a red dress for next Friday's party? Now, based on my location, the weather forecasted for that day, and my past purchase history, if the website could just pull up a small list of options for me to choose from instead of having to navigate through hundreds and hundreds of pages. The second trend will continue to be data. Data is definitely the new oil, and we would see more and more of contextual data being used in quick decision making. The third trend would be around the customer experience. Customer has always been the king, and customer experience will hold the key to how any product or service is performing. User journey mapping and persona creation will become more important than ever.